Hey guys, I'm at the Setagaya Art Museum. This art museum is connected to right next to Kinuta Park. The park is the very large around this Setagaya area. I'm walking toward this is a hallway of the art museums. And once I open this door, the hallway will connect it to the art museum's French restaurant called Le Jardin, and I had the lunch there. This is my appetizer. On the left, you are seeing as the courtyard of Setagaya Art Museums. And this one is the cold soup called Bliss. It was a pretty good one too. As you can see from the restaurant, you can see all the view. So this is nice and quiet. This is my main dish. This is a chicken grill with the chicken. Yeah, it looks like a tomato soup with vegetables. I'm at the outside of Setagaya Art Museums. You see there are lots of greens. On the left is the restaurants. On the right is art museums. So if I walk these directions, I'll be at the main entrance of the Setagaya Art Museums. It was pretty hot outside. As you can see, all the skater is singing outside. But if you are staying in the shade, that's pretty cool too. And many people are sitting under the tree. They are relaxing. They're reading books. And this stair will take you down to Setagaya Art Museum's cafe area. You're hearing the sound of water. It's the water fountain they have it. And you can see the table outside and also the table inside too. And on the left is a passage which I walk in from art museum toward the restaurants. This is the main entrance of art museums. And if I walk to these directions, they are called a park called the Kinuta Park. This is the largest park around this area. So people are playing outside. Under the tree is very cool. And once I'm away from the trees, it's gonna be very hot and humid. This is very relaxing Saturday afternoons. And plus, if you stay this area, it is very relaxing. You hear the sounds of birds crying. This is gonna be a nice walk around this park too. Let's walk a little bit farther. If I walk a little bit farther, the other side is art museums. Yeah, if you come to this park, you can forget about it. You're and the huge the Tokyo residential area. But once in your town, no, once in this park, nothing but you see the bunch of trees and the greens too. On the building on the front, this is a Setagaya Art Museum. I walk from this direction, so I'm walking back toward the art museums. This is very interesting location. On the right is art museum. On the left is the huge park too. And let's take a stair going down to cafe area. At the time of the season, when you hear the sounds of water fountain, you see this is amazing view. And even though if you are very hot outside, but when you hear the sounds of the water coming from the water fountain, it's gonna be you feel like you are cooling down and relax too. This is a good locations. They have like chairs and table outside. So underneath of this hallway, the passage, this is cold too. So when you have a cold drinks, stay here, watch and look around the sounds and the view of the water fountain. It's gonna be really relaxing afternoon. You'll be able to spend. Well, see you next time. Bye.